the patrol that the boys waved through to go past, he's gotten stuck up there as well, and he's trying to go forward. No, he's gonna be down and out. He's gonna be down and out.
Oh, fuck's sake!
You're done, mate. You're on the belly. You. Hang on. Reverse lights are on. Reverse lights are on. There's movement. No, reverse lights are off. Reverse lights are on. No, he's not moving. His diffs are in the sand. He is anchored in. He's getting his max tracks placed in front of the tyres. You're going to try to go forward. See what happens here. Well, the front tyres rolled up over him. The back tyres, he's got movement. He's got movement. Can he continue? No, he's digging in again. He's going to have to maxi it again. Oh, he's getting twisted. Oh, here we go. He's reversing all right. He's come all the way back. No. No.
Where's he get the revs up?
Patrol's bearing in. Those tyres are trying to find their way back to China where they made. Oh, he's clawing his way up on the maxis. It's not working well. Up the northern end here, we've got a Hilux. It's not going well. Oh well, he's got a fair way up this slope, but it looks like they're doing it bit by bit, max track by max track. Hard way of doing it, but they're getting there. We have a Land Cruiser up here that's coming back to recover a Hilux, but the Land Cruiser is going to need recovering. Who's this fella? He's still moving, but he's digging deep there. He's getting there, he's getting there, he's getting there. He's coming, he's coming. Working the old girl hard. It is doing it hard. The cruise. Oh, the poor cruiser. Well, they got there in the end. But now it's got to pull the Hilux up here. How's that going to go? We've got a cruiser. And we've got a Luxie. We've got plenty of strap. Oh, look how easy that was. Look how easy that is. Just driving around on his own now. Oh, still. Right, a young fella down here with his patrol. He's just reversed back to get a bit more run up. He's going to send it. He's confident, so he can't be seen getting bogged, this fella. Here he comes. I think. Both the wheels are up. pedal, all of it the whole way. He's good. The show is not over yet, lads. I think the story was the cruiser pulled the Luxie too far forward, and then the Luxie couldn't drive out from where he was left. So now he's bogged. So now the patrol pulling him back. It's on. Just take up the tension. More fun and games when there's traffic involved, eh?
Oh yeah, man. At least it's not fucking boiling hot today.
Yeah, we'll do it, yeah.
This is steaming hot sand. We've already done that. Drag them up the other side.
Lightning's cracking and the thunder's thundering. Ew, look at the clouds. Love it. Oh, look at it. Right, now crews are coming through. All the boys have pulled up to the side, let him through. Plenty of send pedal there. Oh, plenty of send. You got roosters coming off the back. Ew.
No noise, mate.
Did he tell you to shut up? I don't know if it was hurry up or shut up. Yeah.
We'll turn control off so we get out.
I hear engine noises. Oh, it's just cruising. The show is not over. We have another Triton bogged. Check this out. The rocks storm brewing. Check that out. That is wild. Little mini tornado cranking over here. It's about to come out. There you go. That's some fun stuff. The boys are going again. Get Triton out of here. Go again, mate, go again. He wasn't ready. Oh. Up on the maxis. Yoink. They're away. That's how that's done. Easy as. Oh. You got something dragging behind your truck there, mate. Just quality unit. Exhaust coming out somewhere near the manifold. Wires dangling out from the rear end of it. Anyway. Listen. Go the Luxie. Probably needed another gear there. Bring him back. Bugsy is struggling. Those little tyres, they struggle. Low clearance and struggles. There we go. That's better. Lots of speed. Now we're talking. Oh yes. That's how that's done. See, now he's figured it out. And she's going to send it. She's a lead foot. There it goes. Good stuff. See, these lads have learned some things while they've been here. Just a little tidbit for people. If you're going to come along to people that are bogged and offer advice, you've got to think about your delivery. You can't just come in and rip, tear, bust and tell people you're doing it wrong. Okay, it's good to give advice, but you got to do it the right way. Otherwise, you're just going to look like, well, an a-hole. Righto. After that last little show's over, we got another car coming through. What have we got this time? We had good sand. Oh yeah, plenty of momentum, plenty of speed. Nice, straight through. Some epic weather. Weather. We got some epic weather the last few days. Check out this storm cloud out here. That is wicked. Dumping rain out over that way. Oh, not much though. It must be further over. It's dumping it. But you see, it's dumping it out here. Where's my finger? Out here. Oh, look at the lightning. Look at the formation up here. Ooh, that's so good. Dumping more rain out over here. Pretty reasonably clear down that way. Love the colours. Check it out, man. Oh yeah, thunder's ripping out over there. Oh, a little dingo's come to say g'day. Oh, so's the fly. Hey, little girl.